Alright guys, welcome back to another Geoguessr video. Today I'm doing a flooded world. Now this is a map created by Chicago Geographer, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Every location is where the Google car drove through water, so river crossings and waterlogged roads. I don't think I've played this map. If I did, it was a long time ago, and I think it's a pretty hard map considering that the NMPZ record is only 18-9. So I think I'm going to do no moving and then NMPZ. Let's start off with no moving. Here we go. Starting off in Russia, we have very Russian buildings, black car, yeah, just all adds up. I think I like Western here. Yep, pretty standard Russia. Ooh, got a little bridge here. That's cool. I think this is Eswatini. We have the white car, and kind of looks like Lesotho, but there's too many trees, so it's Eswa. Perfect. Alright, what is this? Passo Cara. Is that Italian? Oh my gosh. It's probably not Italian, and that was just really embarrassing, but I'm pretty sure that's Italian. Is this Italy? Does this look like Italy? I don't know. It looks very green. I guess it could be like up here. Or somewhere down here. I don't know. This doesn't. Something is off. Is it Portugal? Or just Spain? It just feels so green. It would have to be northern Spain. I think I'm gonna go Portugal, actually. I don't know. It's probably just Italy. I'm gonna go Italy. Alright, good switch. It was just Italian. Alright, this is a very flooded location. You can see like the waves, the wake made by the Google car. That's cool. Anyways, we have the front visible, so this is Sri Lanka. Really, anywhere that has... I think Sri Lanka is really the only place that has the front of the Gen 3 car visible. Like, that's pretty uncommon. Alright, this is very pretty. We're on the ocean, I think. Or a very big body of water. This feels like Norway, Sweden. I think it's going to be Sweden because it looks like we have the short dashed lines. It feels very north. We don't have a lot of trees and like very short trees. Very short, sporadic trees. So I think I'm going to go northern Sweden. Does that make sense? I'm pretty sure it does. Oh wait, we can line this up. The water's to the northwest. So maybe like here? Wait, does this... Because we have that little thing there, and then it looks like we have... I don't know if those are clouds or if that's like land visible, but... Oh my gosh, that was sad. We were actually on this little island. Okay. Can't win them all. We did relatively okay there anyway, so... Yeah, that's fine. Ooh, is this Bhutan? But yeah, I mean, I can't think of another place that this would be other than Bhutan, just because it's Bhutan. That might have been the stupidest fail I've ever had. How is this Turkey? How is this Turkey? Alright, it's Turkey. It's... I mean, yeah, this isn't Bhutan architecture. I mean, this thing kind of looked like Bhutan, but... Alright, I need to stop coping. Um, just a skill issue. Flagstaff, that is... Is this the US? Oh, this is the US. For some reason, when I first saw this, I did not think of the US. Jamaica, New York. This is New York? This doesn't even feel like. No, no. Well, it's obviously the US. We have American road signs, American poles, American architecture, American camper. But I don't know. It did not feel like the US at first. I don't know. Man, this is like kind of depressing. I think this is going to be near New York City, though. I think I've heard of Jamaica, New York, somewhere down here. I think it's like up here. Yeah, it was just down there. And then we have a non-flooded location. We might be seeing the wrong picture, but anyways, this is just Senegal, I think. We have the big blur. That's pretty Senegalese, I think. So, oh my god. Yeah, I think it's just Senegal, though. Senegal car. Nice. And then a river. Ooh. That is cool. It just goes from like lush green to like sand dunes. That is cool. Sand surfing? You can surf on the sand? Anyways, trekker coverage. This kind of reminds me of Minecraft, like a desert being right next to a forest. Anyways, where the heck is this? I have no idea, honestly. I wonder if this is a country that only has trekker coverage. If that's the case, then I'm probably going to get it wrong. Free. It's like half English, half. Is this Chile? That just came to mind. No. I don't think you would get these palm trees in Chile. Is this Australia? The trees kind of feel Australian, and then I guess you could get the dunes in Australia, except this language. Oh, I think that might just be like the name of the company or something. I think I'm gonna send Australia. It could be like Tasmania or no, probably not Tasmania. I don't think we get palms in Tasmania, but New Zealand? No. Oh, it's New Zealand. Oh my god. I called it. And then Chile, I think. White car. Driving through a river. Way more north, but that's okay. Let's play again. Is that English? Oh, we have Davao. Is that Philippines? Yeah. Nice. Oh my gosh, the lag. I need to refresh. Alright, Gen 2. Looks like we're driving over a little stream here. This reminds me of Denmark or Sweden, potentially. Nah, actually. You don't get blue signs in Sweden. I think it's just Denmark. It could be Finland. Actually, I think the red and the white is a Denmark thing. Yeah, okay. That was a good guess, actually. Nice. And then I thought this was Gen 3 for a second. But no, Gen 4. Visible blue car. This is going to be Europe somewhere. This kind of feels like. Actually, this is South Africa. We're on the left side, and the visible blue car makes sense. It does have that kind of dry feel. I think this is gonna be like more of the greener parts of South Africa, though. Let's go down here. Romania. That isn't even a South African car, I don't think. Why are we on the left? Dude. Or maybe he's trying to go around the puddle. But come on. Are you kidding me? I need to go to South Africa and just see if the car was. Yeah, that's. Whatever. I don't care. Alright, this feels like Scandinavian, Norway, Sweden, Finland. The trees fit. It feels very northern. It's just Norway. That's an awful guess. I need to start trying. Alright, we got more Trekker through river. This is very cool. Yeah, that is sick. Alright. Are these like the Andes in like Colombia, Ecuador? I think so. I mean, that makes sense. Unless this is. Do you ever get like Bhutan Trekker? Except I don't think this isn't Bhutan. I think I'm gonna go like Colombia. It's gonna be so wrong, isn't it? Fuck. Alright. This is. What car is this? Is this like a Kenyan car? I think that's a Kenyan car. I might be really wrong though. It was a Kenyan car. It was just that park right on the border of Tanzania. Nice. Ooh. That is pretty. Wow. I could just take that in for hours. Anyways, this is the Ugandan car, I think. Lake to the north. Is it this lake? I'm not really sure. I think it's Uganda, though. Alright, it was down there. Oh, that was a way smaller lake than I thought. And then I think that's a Peruvian pole. We're in Peru. Is this just like somewhere out here, maybe? One of these cities? Oh my gosh. I didn't even think of that for some reason. And then Southern Arch. We have these like Southern Arch trees with the black car. I need to stop using car meta for everything, but I can't even get one good guess. And then, alright, mainland Malay. Yeah, like we have the Curacao buildings. Uganda? Is that like a Uganda park car? Let's go Murchison Falls National Park. Alright. I mean, yeah. Ooh. Oh, you can actually see the splash. That's actually pretty cool. Maybe Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont. Oh, it was Rhode Island. Nice. Alright, gray car is just Bhutan. And the cloudy coverage is very common in Bhutan. Nice. Oh, this is a repeat. All right, I think this is Bhutan. We have. I think that's Bhutan architecture. Nice. Oh my gosh, this is Russia. I think that's a Russian car, but where do you get this foliage? Is this more like Eastern, maybe? Like out here somewhere. I could see it. Are we ever on this peninsula? Or maybe even the island? I think I'm just gonna go here though. Okay, that was a good guess. That I'm proud of that. What? Yeah, it was just that city. Okay. One of my best Russian guesses in a while. Is this Dominican Republic? It kind of feels like we have that car meta. I actually need to stop using car meta for everything. Alright, yeah, it was just Santo Domingo. Build the load panorama, what? Okay. Alright, is this Finland, Sweden? I think it might be Finland. The road lines are odd, though, which is kind of weird. Actually, we have water to the south. Are we on the south coast? Southern coast of Finland, maybe. Nope. Whatever, though. I mean... And then... Just another Russia? Is this Russia? Or is this Estonia? I kind of feel like we have the Estonian green blur. I deserve that. Anyways, we got 20k. I mean, not bad. This is Gen 4. This is interesting. Is this Colombia? It kind of feels like Colombia, except something is like odd about it. I mean, it was my first guess, so I'm gonna stick with it. Peru. Yeah, that makes sense. And then another waterfall, but I don't think this is the same one as before. Unless it is. This kind of feels like... Oh my gosh. Ugh. Sorry. This kind of feels like Colombia. Oh, we are in the water. What is this guy doing? Alright, is this... Oh wait, is this the Madagascar lady? That's always in the Madagascar coverage? That's an actual meta, oh my gosh. No way. No way, I need to refresh, because something's up. Okay. What is this? This isn't just... This is some random island trekker. What is this? Um, for some reason, like Bermuda came to mind, but this definitely isn't Bermuda. Is this... Is this like Curacao or something? We're on an airport runway. Why not? Oh my goodness. Alright, anyways, I think that's gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. Maybe I will do another one of these in the future. If you want to see me play a certain map, then just comment, I guess. And yeah. Hold on a minute. Do I have the record now for the NMPZ? Oops. I have the NMPZ record? No way. I mean, not a lot of people play this map anyway, so. But that's cool, I guess. Anyways, nice. But yeah, I am going to sign off. See you guys later. Bye.